Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 1B question number 1. Fill in the blanks. When the goods services are sold for rupees 15,000 under intra-state transaction from station A to station B and the rate of GST is 12%. As per GST system, SP at station A, CGST, SGST, CP at station B, profit equal to rupees 5,000, then SP at station B. Now the same goods services are moved under interstate transaction from station B to station C and the rate of tax is 12%, then GST equal to what and CP at station C equal to what? So question number 1, A is equal to SP at station A equal to 15,000 rupees. Since it is the case of intra-state transaction, then CGST equal to 6% of 15,000, since GST equal to 12%, and we know that if it is the case of intra-state transaction, then GST is distributed between CGST and SGST. Therefore, GST is equal to 12% and CGST is equal to 6% and SGST is equal to 6%. Here we have to find CGST equal to 6% of SP, that is 15,000. 6%, that is 6 by 100 into 15,000. 20 cancel out and CGST is equal to 900 rupees. SGST is equal to 6% of 15,000 and here 6% of 15,000 is equal to 900 rupees. Question number C is CP at station B equal to SP at station A plus CGST plus SGST, that is equal to 15,000 plus 900 plus 900, 15,000 plus 1800, that is equal to 16,800 rupees. Question number D is if profit equal to 5,000 rupees, to find SP at station B. We know that SP equal to CP plus profit. SP equal to, here CP at station B equal to 16,800 plus profit equal to 5,000. So SP at station B equal to 21,800 rupees. Now the same goods services are moved under interstate transaction from station B to station C and rate of tax is 12%. Then the question is GST equal to what? And the next question is CP at station C. For solving question E, here given that it is the case of interstate transaction, therefore we have to find only IGST, that is equal to 12% of 21,800 rupees. 12%, that is equal to 12 by 100 into 21,800. 20 cancel out. 12 into 218, that is equal to 2,616 rupees. Next question is CP at station C equal to 2,616 plus 21,800, that is equal to 24,416 rupees. So it is the solution of this question. Stay tuned and keep watching for more videos.